Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn on USB tethering on iPhone. On Android it is pretty straightforward and there is a specific option for that in settings. So what is USB tethering? It simply means sharing your phone's internet connection to your PC via USB cable. So to turn on USB tethering on iPhone, what you have to do is to swipe down your control center, on your mobile data and also on your hotspot. Now the next thing to do is to plug in your phone to your PC and it's going to automatically activate USB tethering. So plug in your iPhone to your PC. Make sure it is unlocked. For the first time it's going to ask for some permission for you to trust the PC. Just click on trust. And now you can see right here, you are now connected to the iPhone via USB tethering. Internet access. So that's how you turn on USB tethering on iPhone. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.